Good night, teacher. My name is Jordi Rosales. My diálogo debe intervenir. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our TV show. Today we have a very famous actor with us. Welcome, Jordi. Thank you. I am happy to be here. Let's tell about your school days. Where you were a student. I was in a show in my city. It was great place. What was your favorite subject? My favorite subject was English because it was fun and interesting. Were you good at sport? Yes, it was. I played soccer and basketball. Wow, what's your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher was Mir Lopez. He was very friendly and funny. What were your classmates like? They were very old and friendly. We had a lot of fun. Did you have any hobbies? Yes, I did. I like watching movies and acting in short plays. What did you do after school? I did my homework and submitted. I played video games. What's there anything you think lie down at school? Yes, I didn't lie down my homework because it was difficult. Were you a good student? Yes, I was responsible and hardworking. Thank you for sharing your memories with us. Thank you, Jude. It was a pleasure. Thank you, teacher.